A South Carolina lawmaker is asking the state attorneys general to weigh in after grieving families claim their requests for paid leave from work were denied following stillbirths.
That's despite a law guaranteeing paid time off for state employees and teachers if they or their spouse give birth, adopt, or foster. State House reporter Mary Green has those details.
It's just a weird interpretation of the law to me.
It's a situation Representative Neil Collins didn't expect to pop up from legislation he sponsored. 3 years ago, the governor signed a bill into law that provides up to 6 weeks of paid family leave to state employees who welcome a new child via birth, adoption, or fostering. The next year, it was expanded to also cover South Carolina's public school teachers through Collins' bill. But recently, the Pickens County Republican found out at least 3 school districts in the state had denied paid leave requests to employees who experience stillbirths.
The qualifying event is a birth, and to say a stillbirth is not a birth under this scenario it goes against the intent of what I was trying to do.
One of the groups that alerted Collins was the Palmetto State Teachers Association, which says these are limited instances, but nonetheless concerning.
Completely out of line with the spirit of the law. The law was designed to support the experience of a new parent, both physically, mentally, emotionally. Secondly, it's just inhumane.
It says decisions like these can hurt staff morale far beyond the one employee.
I don't want to work in a district that doesn't value their employees enough to come alongside them in what is one of the most tragic and heartbreaking things that a new mother can experience. Just put people first.
Collins has asked for an opinion from South Carolina's Attorney General on whether parents who experience stillbirths are eligible for paid time off under the existing law. He also plans to file legislation that would clarify it in state code, so no other grieving parents go through this confusion.
I'm never too optimistic with what we're going to do in Columbia, but I'm hopeful on this one.
That was our Mary Green reporting. Collins says at least 2 of the districts have since changed their policies to say that stillbirths are covered and granted the time off that they initially denied. We reached out to the Attorney General's office asking for an update on that opinion, but we haven't yet heard back.